I came across this TikTok video from a writer a few weeks back. As a writer, she makes $32,000 per month, and it's not Alex Fasulo. I've come across many six-figure writers online. It takes something special to cross $10,000 a month as a writer, especially if you're not counting selling courses or books. She writes in an evolving and growing niche, and I thought I'd share more about what I learned with you. How can you make $32,000 a month as a writer? It's about high-paying writing projects. You will not get there with 10 cents per word writing gigs. The kind of projects this writer works is copywriting packages as well as long-term projects. And she works in an expensive niche. What comes to mind if you think about what's happening in the world now with money and finance? Something that has been blowing up in popularity over the past few years? Cryptocurrency and Web3. I recently saw another freelancer booking over $1,000 gigs writing cryptocurrency white papers on Fiverr. There are so many possibilities in this niche. If you can do this, I think it's a good niche to be in, for sure. Coming up next, I will reveal who is this mystery writer, so stay tuned for that. But first, like this video and subscribe to the channel. The mystery writer is Amy Suto. You can check her out on TikTok. You will learn a lot about the writing work she does and her niche. She's made over $200,000 on UpWork, which seems to be one of her top networks. This might be a niche to consider if you're trying to make a full-time income writing or increase the income you're already making. If you enjoyed or learned something new, watch the following videos to get closer to the best version of yourself by improving your education and intellect.